In front of me is Motorola Razr 60, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, launch settings and scroll to click on this section called gestures. Now you need to tap on one-handed mode here. And when you're ready, use this switcher to activate it. If you are using 3 buttons navigation though, this option won't be accessible to you, just like in my case. So instead, scroll and use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then hit correct. Tap on one-handed mode shortcut on the left and decide which method you wanna use to enter one-handed mode. Quick settings, accessibility button, or volume keys. Whatever you decided, just follow those instructions, and once you do, you'll be able to enter and exit one-handed mode using chosen method. You can always go back by swiping up or clicking on this area at the top. To disable it fully, use the same no green switcher. Now, in case you are using gestures, you can use this switcher I showed you before, and when it's green, make sure pull screen into reach is on. Then you need to follow those instructions, so basically pull down from the bottom of the screen, like that. Go back by swiping up or clicking on this area. Disable it by tapping on green switcher until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!